Good morning, students. Miss Williams here. This morning is Wednesday, and it is May the 27th. Today, we are going to do a review of area in preparation for a quiz that I will be giving you tomorrow. I am going to do 7 problems with you today on this video. And then there is a document that I'm going to post up on Google Classrooms that has another 7 problems that I would like you to do and enter the answers into formative. All right, let's start with triangles. So with triangles, the formula for the area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So for problem number 1 here, just write the formula to start with. Then the base is 8 meters, the height is 6 meters, and you're dividing by 2. When you multiply those numbers, 8 times 6, 6 eighths are 48. So it's 48 over 2, 48 meters squared divided by 2. So the answer is 24 meters squared. For number 2 here, same thing. Area is base times height over 2. And because this is a right triangle, number 2, you can see it's a right triangle because of the little box in the corner. You can use that side as being the height, the 9 inches. So we've got 13 times 9 divided by 2. And that's 90 plus 27 is 117 divided by 2. And that is going to be 58 and a half. And it's going to be inches squared. Number 3. Now, number 3 is one of those triangles that the perpendicular height, the straight up and down height, falls outside the triangle. So I'm going to color it in for you so you can see the triangle that we're working with and where the height is. So even though the height falls outside the triangle, imagine you're standing up at that very tip top and you drop a stone. It's going to fall straight down. It's still the height that you use even though it goes outside the triangle. So the area is base times height divided by 2. So it's 8 times 7 divided by 2. And 8 times 7 is 56 divided by 2, which is 28 feet squared. Remember your units, please. And it's always squared because it's area. Okay, review of parallelograms. So the area of parallelograms is just base times height. So the area of this first parallelogram is the base is 9 centimeters, the height is 8 centimeters. So 8 times 9 is 72, and it's centimeters squared. So you're just multiplying the 2 numbers there for the area of the parallelogram. Then we have the area of this parallelogram, which has been kind of like stood on its end. You can rotate the paper so that you can see it better for number 5. So the 17 is the base and the 8 is the height. Area is base times height. 17 times 8. So the way I like to do that in my head is I just do 10 times 8, which is 80, and 7 times 8, which is 56, and then I add those together. So 80 and 56 is 136, and it's millimeters squared. This one you don't have to divide in 2. Remember, it's only for the triangle that you're dividing by 2. Last one we're reviewing is the trapezoid. And the formula for the area of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So let's use that. So area is base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So our bases for this first trapezoid are the 11 and the 20 are the two bases. So we're going to add 11 and 20. We're going to multiply by 14 and divide by 2. Let's go out this way. So that's 31 times 14 divided by 2. And you know, I can change that because I can do 14 divided by 2 and just multiply the 31 by 7. So 7 times 3 is 21, but that's really 30. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. So that's 217. And it's millimeters squared. Okay, second trapezoid here. Area is again B1 plus B2. Add the bases together times the height divided by 2. So for this one, you need to look at it sideways. Okay, the two bases are the 3 inches and the 10 inches, and the height is the 11 inches. So if we go back this way, we have 3 inches plus 10 inches multiplied by 11 inches divided by 2. So it's 13 times 11 divided by 2. Okay, 13 times 11 is basically 10 times 13 plus 1 times 13. So that's 130 plus 13. This is inches squared divided by 2. So it's 143 inches squared divided by 2. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 2 into 3 goes 1.5 inches squared. All right. So for your work today, there's going to be some area problems for you to practice and type the answers into formative. And then tomorrow there will be a quiz on area. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Take care in the heat. Make sure that you drink loads of water and stay indoors in the afternoon when it's going to be hot. Take care, everybody. Bye.